So today I wanted to show you where we are walking with dogs. We had heavy rain last few weeks, so we had waterfall everywhere. It's not so often that we see around here that much water. That's why when we see them we became happy. Dogs are on leash because we see some snakes, and these snakes are poisonous. If they bite the dogs, they can die. Do you want to meet with dogs? This is Rosie, blue one. Küçücük is pink one. Hello, Küçücük. This is Vector and Luna, our grandma. Luna. And this is Gulia.
I'm not a dog.
So today is 4th of April. It's already under the sun. It's so hot. Rain started. We are turning back. Look.
How long did we walk? That long. 4 kilometers.
Yeah, so hot. Anyway, I have to go to the sea. Right now it's much clean. No? So sometimes it's nice to go out from the comfort zone. Nice cold water right after from hot bed. I like in the mornings cold water. For most of the people, this weather is not for sea, but for me, like 8-10 minutes, it's very good, very nice. You feel fresh.
Posaki davanti doftero amma mushepsidika deka. Так шатре Дмитрий. Ой шанс.
Hadi, go.
Wait.
ბოჯი კადი πιάνει იფსოს ნომის ზოგს,
Put the brake.